Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your Etsy messages are not sending, you may be unable to contact buyers or sellers, which can delay orders, support requests, or important updates. Fortunately, this problem is usually caused by connection or account issues. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the messages not sending issue on Etsy in 2026 quickly and correctly. So first thing first, check your internet connection. So messaging failures often come from unstable internet. So try switch Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart router, and reload Etsy app or page. Retry sending messages after that. So messages need continuous connection to send. Okay. You can also refresh Etsy app or browser. So temporarily glitches are common. For example, on mobile you can force close Etsy app like this and reopen the app, log out and log back in. In desktop, you can refresh browser page, clear cache and cookies, and try another browser. Okay, so attempt message again after that. Okay, reduce message attachment. So large attachments may block sending. Okay, so check if message includes large images, videos, multiple files. And fix it like send text message first and upload smaller image afterward. Okay, it's attachment limits apply. Okay, you can check account restrictions, so messaging may stop if it detects unusual activity, like check open account settings. Okay, and look for alerts or verification requests. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.